In the palm of your hand lies a piece of history. A small round coin, just 25 francs, minted in 2005. Yet it carries with it centuries of cultural heritage, political transformation, and economic ambitions. This is the story of the West African states. 25 francs coin, a symbol of unity, resilience, and identity across an entire region. Today we'll explore how this modest coin connects 8 nations, why it matters, and what it's worth in the modern world. Chapter 1: Coin of Unity. The 25 francs coin isn't just any currency. It belongs to the West African Monetary Union, known officially as the Union Economic and Miniature Quest African, or WAMOA. 8 countries: Benin, Burkina Faso, Guinea, Bissau, Mali, Niger, Senegal, and Togo share this coin. Together, they form one of the world's rare examples of a multinational currency, backed by the Central Bank of West African states. This coin is a symbol of economic cooperation and solidarity in a region with diverse cultures, histories, and challenges. Chapter 2: The Symbolism of the Coin. Let's look closer. On the obverse, the front, you see the stylized antelope head, graceful, dignified. It's more than just an animal. The antelope is a symbol of agility, endurance, and survival in the harsh but beautiful landscapes of West Africa. Around it, the words Basque Central does Stats de lag roque de quest encircle the design, proudly declaring its origin. On the reverse, the number 25 dominates the center, encircled by traditional African decorative motifs and artistic reminder of heritage and identity. This coin doesn't just buy you bread or rice, it tells a story of who the West African people are. Chapter 3: The Year 2005. Why 2005? It was a time of change. West Africa was stepping into a new century, modernizing infrastructure, expanding trade, and strengthening ties within WAMOA. For the everyday citizen, the 25 francs coin, about the price of a small snack, was a daily companion. It changed hands in busy markets, schools, taxis, and villages. This simple coin carried forward the monetary stability first introduced in 1945 with the creation of the CFA franc. Chapter 4: Colonial Legacies and the CFA franc. To understand this coin, we must journey back to 1945. After World War II, France introduced the CFA franc as the currency for its African colonies. Originally, CFA meant colonies, franchises, Africa. Over time, as nations gained independence, the CFA franc evolved. Today, it stands for Communauté Financière Africa, the African financial community. Though criticized by some as a colonial vestige, the CFA franc has also been praised for its stability, shielding member states from the wild inflation that plagued other regions. The 25 francs coin of 2005 is a direct descendant of this colonial-era currency, transformed, localized, and made into a shared African symbol. Chapter 5: Life of the coin in daily use. Imagine yourself in a West African market in 2005. You hand over a 25 francs coin to buy a handful of groundnuts, or perhaps to pay for a shared taxi ride. It's small, convenient, and widely accepted. Coins like this lived in pockets, purses, and cash registers across 8 nations. They carried the sweat of workers, the laughter of children, and the negotiations of traders. Chapter 6: Collectability and numismatic value. But beyond its everyday life, the 25 francs 2005 coin has another story: its place in the world of numismatics. For collectors, coins are tiny time capsules. The 2005 edition, while not rare, represents a fascinating snapshot of modern West African history. Collectors value it for its symbolism and multinational identity. While its face value is just 25 CFA francs, about 0.04 US dollars today, its worth to collectors can be higher. Depending on condition, it may fetch between $1 and $5 USD, sometimes more if part of a complete set. Chapter 7: The coin's place in today's economy. Fast forward to today. In 2025, the 25 francs coin still circulates, though less frequently than higher denominations, like the 100 or 500 francs. Rising prices mean that 25 francs does not buy as much as it once did. In many markets, small coins like this are still useful, but mobile payments and higher value notes are taking center stage. Still, the coin remains a powerful everyday reminder of unity. Chapter 8: Future of the CFA franc. But what does the future hold? There has been talk of replacing the CFA franc with a new currency, the eco. This shift, if it happens, would mark a major turning point for West African nations politically, economically, and symbolically. If the eco is adopted, the 25 francs coin may vanish from circulation, but its legacy will live on in collections, in history books, and in the memories of those who once used it daily. Chapter 9: The coin's symbolic worth. So what is the 25 francs 2005 coin worth today? In pure economic terms, just a few cents. But in cultural terms, immeasurable. It represents unity across 8 nations. It embodies resilience through colonial legacies and economic transitions. And it holds meaning for collectors, historians, and ordinary people alike. Chapter 10: Closing Reflections. A coin may seem small, but within its metal lies a great story of identity, endurance, and hope. The West African state's 25 francs coin of 2005 is more than currency, it is history in your hand, a reminder that even the tiniest objects can hold the weight of nations. This was the journey of a single coin. Yesterday changed today, heritage, and tomorrow legacy. Please like, share, and subscribe for informative video. See you next time.